Hi. So today we are talking about customer registration form. This is a simple registration form that we have created in Notion, and you can see certain fields that are visible over here, like the first name, the last name, the address, phone number, email ID, and then how did you hear about us, feedback, and suggestions. Along with that, the last field is will you be recommend what will you be willing to recommend us. So these are the fields that were created for the registration form. Now let us test it out. So I'm going to enter some random information over there. So I'm just going to simply put some information over here as we are testing this. So let's say the phone number is something like this. Email is, let's say, email at the rate email.com. And how did you hear about us? Let's say it is internet. Feedback is excellent. And suggestions not applicable. And yes, I will be willing. So once everything is filled up, the user would hit on submit, and as they hit on submit, you can see it is saying the response has been submitted. And you can see that when you duplicate this entire form onto your workspace under the responses view, you will able to get that response over here, which we just created. So this is how you can utilize this registration form. You can simply send over that form to the particular user. So what you need to do is you can simply click on share form once it is duplicated to your workspace, and make sure it is selected to anyone on the web with the link. Click on copy form link, and then as you paste that link onto your new tab, it will automatically show. Okay, so you can embed this form onto your pages or anywhere, and the user can come and fill out this form and click on submit, and you'll be able to track all the responses over here. Okay, so you can take help of this particular form for use case. Now one more thing I wanted to discuss with you was, if you head over to pdfoutput.com, this is a website which helps you create PDF documents in bulk utilizing Google document and in Google sheet or a Notion database. So if you have like invoices to generate in your business, you can take help of Google document to create a template, and then you can put the placeholder text elements inside a Google sheet or a Notion database and generate bulk documents out of this. So I have added an instruction video over here for you to check out. It supports both Notion and Google Sheets, so you can check out this part and you can start generating documents for a use case. Now let me know if you have any questions other than this. I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you. Have a great day.